Good morning, good afternoon, traders. Welcome everyone on a Friday trading day. This is the last trading day of the week. Also, yesterday the markets remained closed because of the Juneteenth Day, but today it's back with full force. Good morning, 44 room traders. Good morning, TEFS Trading Room. I hope you are doing great. Hi, Brian. Nice to see you, Andy, Mark. Alamu, good morning to you. Clifton team, good morning. As far as I know, Scott is not going to be here today, but DVG hopefully is going to be here soon. So, guys, I hope first of all in the US traders you had a nice day off yesterday and ready to continue with this very much crazy market in the pre-market already and get for some longs as I see the market is just moving from red to green thanks to some developments on the Iran and Israeli conflict indeed. Hi Tara, nice to see you. Good afternoon to you. So guys, yesterday, as I've told you, no moves on the market. Wednesday, though, it was a little bit weaker. Also, Powell again, he just did not let this pressure from Trump's side to impact him, and of course they did not go with the rate cut. However, traders today, it was an FOMC member speaker, Waller, and according to this speech. She said that central bank could cut rates as early as July. So I don't know what has just changed in like 2 days, traders, but seems like that this is only Waller's opinion, but this could be definitely a big surprise for the market. Happy Friday, Clifton. Thank you. Hi, Stacy. Good morning. Coin and OSCR for continuation, Andy. We are going to check it, and I just checked the Circle, it is on the way as well because there were some news about this stock too. So we have decent movers to start today. But before that, let's just see what did happen on this market Wednesday. If I'm just going to the SPY and going back not checking the triple Q or the TQQQ, but the S&P 500, you can see that back on Wednesday, it was a red day again. Also, the market has not broken this consolidation yet. As you can see, this consolidation low, it's around this $595 level, which I mentioned you several times during the last weeks. And the high, it is 605 and 50. So we need to break this actually on one day. I don't know when this day is going to happen and which direction is going to go because everything is really fragile out there, as you know. But so far seems like that the market is reversing towards to the $600 area. So, but why it is happening? Suddenly everything just turned out to be bullish from a really bearish move. As you can see, it was starting the pre-market with a gap down and continued lower, and now everything is just rocketing like crazy higher. Well, one thing is for sure, guys, it's not because of the Philly Fed manufacturing index, because it was much lower than expected. -4 was the previous data, -1.7 expected, and the data which just released at 2 or 8:30, it just became a much lower of the expectations, the same as the last month's data, -4. 10 o'clock, we are going to get consumer confidence. Sorry, it's I just mixed the Euro news. So this USD is just the CB leading index, only the CB leading index. That's it for today. And as I mentioned you, let's see why the market is rocketing together with the Bitcoin, by the way. Bitcoin is getting stronger too. Well, US stock index futures pop as the report suggests Iran is ready to discuss uranium enrichment limits. So this seems like that this might bring a little calm on this level and on the tension. Also, as you know, everything can just change quite quickly, so please be careful. Okay, so and another quite of a positive news for the market, as I meant, as just mentioned like 5 minutes ago, that Fed could cut the interest rates as early as July, top official Waller says. So this is another quite of a positive developments for the market. Also, I just would like to warn you that first of all, everything is still fragile, as you know, as and seen before. The market can just change really quickly, even during the day. I mean, the direction and volatility can really peak very fast. And on the other hand, we have triple witching today, guys. So be careful. Option expiration coming, which is quite high, like just last time. And that means that this is going to be a quite of a challenging, volatile day, in my opinion. Also, hopefully, the news are going to help for the market. Hi, David. Good morning to you. Hope you had a nice day off, actually, because as far as I remember, you were not trading even on a Wednesday. So happy to see you back. Okay, guys. In the meantime, I'm just checking the rest of the news. Well, we have some great earning stocks like CarMax, Darden Restaurants, and so on. We are going to see them a little bit in more details in some minutes. In Asia, the markets were mixed. Also, Hang Seng much higher thanks to some economic news. Nikkei is lower. On the European stocks, everything is nicely to the green side, and the futures, as I mentioned you, is just turned out from red to green thanks to some developments on the Iranian side indeed, and the Bitcoin too. So Bitcoin started quite weak, again under the $105,000 level, and now it is just flirting with the 106K. So seems like the Bitcoin is starting to be stronger. Among the big names on my list, I can see Coin, Tesla, very strong, SMCI, DAL, mRNA, it's 1.18%, AMD stronger too, Nike, AFRM, Unity, BABA, BAC and Roblox plus MU are the stronger ones, more around 1%, and the strongest like coin is almost 4% to the upside. SMCI very strong with 2%. Tesla continued with 1.83, so quite strong on among the big names. Not all of them, because Google is in red, by the way, and Nvidia is not that shiny and bright green at the moment, only 0.07 indeed. If I'm just checking the SPY and the triple Q, they are not doing really bad. 0.42% on the triple Q and 0.37% on the SPY. So quite strong start. Let's see whether the continuation is going to be that green as well. This is the big question. If I just go to the international field, let's see. Yeah, definitely Waller's speech here as well, that he sees some rate cut much earlier than the Fed Chair Powell just indicated it on Wednesday, and Trump delays Iran strike decision because of that Iran is ready to talk at least about the uranium enrichment. Hi Nitsan, good morning to you. So this seems like a good development, definitely towards to a ceasefire or even some more peace developing. And that's a very good news that Trump just delays the Iran strike decision. Hopefully, it's just not just delays, but off the table now. We will see it soon. Okay, what else still in here? Hi Vidas, happy Friday to you. Asia Pacific markets traded mixed after China keeps benchmark rates steady. As I mentioned you, that's why China just moved higher. And as I mentioned you, we have some news as well. Oil is still rising. Also now I think after this good news, it's pulling back again. And as I mentioned you, we have some great news stocks starting with CarMax. If you have anything on the radar, guys, please just let me me know. So KMX is the first one which just jumped 10% higher as because of the first quarter results exceeded the estimates. Yes, Marco, completely agree with you that circle should be in the circle today because it just got some good news as well from the Senate and KMX as well. I'm just going to put it on my long list. Looks like as a great uh, extended stock to the downside, first of all. So might is going to attract some deep buyers today and even push it much higher than this 8% at the moment. So when I'm just starting to do my list, my first call is going to be at the moment is KMX to the long side. So KMX, and let's just go to Circle, 15% almost. Yes, Nitsan, and this is a stock which is able to move. So I would say now, might it's not that big a problem that we have 15% higher. Just a second, guys. I just check it on my other list, and I let the team know to let it able to trade on the platform if it's possible. Just a second. Okay. Tradable. Hmm? Okay, traders. So Circle, it is just pushing higher, amazing. And wow, I can't believe how strong that stock is at the moment. And looks like it's just not stopping at all. Amazing. Let me just check it a little bit better here. Just a second. Okay, I have too many too many open things here. All right, so traders, I'm going to get Circle to the TEFS list as well. I tried my best at least. And Circle at the moment, as I mentioned you, that Senate just passed the bill. So this is up 15% at the moment, up $229 area with a huge volume. So Nitsan, I agree that we can just put it to the long list with that nice performance. Amazon, AMA, Tesla, Uber, and NVIDIA on your list with guys. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I'm going to check them soon, and after I'm just going to finish with my list. GMS is here as well. This is a specialty building products stock 26% higher as a bidding war for GMS has reportedly developed between OXO and Home Depot. Wow, QXO, sorry. This is a huge news for that stock, and as I understand from this article, this is still not a done deal. That means that this can be quite volatile today. I am not quite happy with this volume on this GMS, but we can just put it to the long list. But be careful, this is not a known stock, I would say, and the volume is just 110,000 at the moment. The other restaurants, the next new stock is here with earnings up nearly 3% after beat on both of the top and bottom line on the DRI. Let's see how does it look like on the daily and the pre-market. Pre-market looks very nice. Volume again could be a little bit higher. Daily a bit extended, but there is no doubt it's a good news for DRI. Let's see whether it can just push the price higher or the buyers. Let's be specified or specific for after the opening bell. Jack in the box is here as well. Jack, which is higher 1%, still downgraded the, the stock from hold to hold from buy, and seems like Jack does not care about the downgrade because it's just made a green move in the pre-market. It's up 0.76%, but this is a type of a stock which I'm not sure I want to put it on my list because of the really, really low volume. If you like this type of stocks, I'm just going to put it on the secondary list for you. Circle is here as well. As I've just told you, Senate approval of its proposed stablecoin legislation, Genius Act, is just passed, and that's why it's just going higher. Kroger, another um, first quarter results earnings out, which it was not that good indeed. However, seems like the Kroger, it is even pulled back maybe on the impact of the stocks, or the numbers were not that desperate as it seemed first. As you can see, it started with a gap down, or not a gap down, but a push down, and since then it's just pushing higher. Seems like a strong one indeed. So this was a little bit confusing news, but looks like Kroger is going higher. Region sell bias is here as well. RGC, this is definitely to the short side because of a split. It jumped more than 280% on Monday and 30% on Tuesday before falling more than 18% on Wednesday. I would say this can be a highly volatile, crazy stock. Be careful with that. I'm going to put it to the short list, but not my ultimate favorite candidate. Hi, Dietmar. Nice to see you. Thank you. Happy Friday and have a beautiful green day to you as well. Hi, Dan. Nice to see you too. Guys, I do not have too many candidates here, so please, if you have anything interesting, for example, ACN, because it was not on my list, also this is an earnings stock and was not doing very well on the numbers at all. So ACN is my first and most loved short candidate for today, guys. So if you still have anything else on the list, please just let me know. ABT, wait, guys, just checking. ABT, sorry, B just, okay. ABT, it is looking interesting, also not a huge mover. I mean, you know what? It's up 0.44%. Volume is just 8K. No, I don't like it too much. Yes, I did, GMS. OSCR. Oh, yes, Nitsan. Mark just mentioned it in the VIP room too. OSCR. This is a health company. Nice. I like it to the upside. Also, this is a lower price stock and up already 20%, but looks quite interesting. I guess big news on the stock. So OSCR can go to the definitely to the long side. Darren, thank you very much. Coin Circle, KMX, yes, and ACN on my short side too, indeed. I'm just checking quickly my watch list, and even not just the watch list, but the gainers and losers list traders, and I see some more indeed here. I'm just going to check it. Coin definitely to the long side. I completely agree with Darren. SOFI, no, I have not mentioned it yet. Tara, thank you very much. I'm just going to check it on the list here. SOFI at the moment it's higher 1.69% and looks like as a perfect beautiful daily consolidation breakout. I like it to the long side. We have a lots of longs, guys, so hopefully the market is going to go up because more long candidates definitely than short candidates. Marvel VDICE, yes, Marvel. I'm just going to put it now to the secondary list because all of my stocks are just a little bit too much to the upside. What else in here? I'm trying to fish some for some weak stocks. IBM is going down and Fudu. IBM is down 1.20%. A is down as well. Duolingo is down, but Dual it's very low on volume always. Team is down 1%. HCA, PDD. Chinese stocks are not strong, guys, but Baba just made me crazy on Wednesday, so I don't think so. I want to touch this Chinese stocks again today. It was just so extremely slow. And after that, it was just going higher, but at the end, it just made the move. Thinking about swing Marvel long, looks like a good one, actually, Vida. Just be careful because this market is nowadays, it depends so much on the news. Crazy moves can happen, actually. So let's just be careful with this one. Traders, not too many to the short side. RGC and ACN. As I mentioned, IBM, I see very much on the short side. Google was not the strongest either. So let's see whether it's going to be pullback maybe. And you know what? I'm going to keep an eye on Roblox too. I wanted to short it on Wednesday, but at the end I did not. But I'm still going to keep an eye on Roblox. Might it's still not going to go down, but it's extremely extended. COST, okay. IBM too, guys. IBM looks like very extended, and especially if it's breaking down the 280, I'm going to keep an eye on that. And yeah, Costco, I don't know, it's very low on volume, but you know what, with guys, let's just keep an eye on it. All right, traders, as I see DVG just posted his list as well, I'm going to post my list too. Guys, VIP room traders, 44 room traders, I wish you a beautiful green Friday. Don't forget triple witching day, and crazy moves are coming for sure after the market bell. So good luck to you. Have a beautiful green one, and after that, enjoy your weekend. See you on Monday. Thank you, DVG. All yours. Thanks, Clifton. Bye, guys. All right, so DVG is coming to the VIP room. And of course, as always, I'm just going to stay here with you on the YouTube room. So welcome everyone, the ones who just joined first to the stream. Welcome, welcome. This is the TEFS Proprietary Trading Company's free YouTube trading room, which led by me. I'm a trader and a mentor as well for more than 18 years. I'm mentoring traders more than 10 years actually. And I'm really happy that you are here with us. I mentioned the VIP room led by Scott Maladesta, DVG, aka Michael Kinney, and Amir Barak, who sometimes is joining to the VIP room as well as a guest analyst. They have more than 30 years experience each, so that's why they are the leaders of the VIP room. VIP room subscription can be gained through our funded account packages, which are available through our website indeed. So please just check it. Here it is, the link. And if you have any questions regarding the test, the trading, anything like that, mentoring, private mentoring, please just drop me an email as well. So guys, here we are, Friday, last trading day of the week, and seems like that the market is heading to the upside again, which is amazing actually. I thought, like, you know what, 1 hour ago when I just checked the pre-market and the futures, that okay, that's it. It's just I just cannot I just cannot actually see a green day for today. And one good news just hit the market, and the bulls just got unleashed again. So this is unbelievable, actually. Also, this just shows me that might we still should be cautious, because if that little tiny, which is not that tiny news, thanks God, and this looks like it's a great development on the Iranian and Israeli conflict, but it's still worrisome. Guys, Circle added to the TEFS platform, so as you can see, we are so quick and efficient. Circle can be traded on the TEFS platforms as well. I'm just to let you know, indeed. Okay, guys, so anything else, any other questions on your side, please just let me know. So far, market looks like really strong, as I mentioned you, but I'm going to be highly careful with the trades today, especially because of the triple witching day. So first of all, I'm going to check Circle for sure on my list, or from my list. KMX, DRI, KR was a little bit like I would say mixed news, so I'm not sure I want to get into this very much. But KMX and DRI was like a great longs in my opinion. DRI and KMX. To the short side, ACN looks fantastic actually. I'm just going to put it here. This is my favorite and only, I would say, a short candidate for today, but really looks great. IBM, I don't know what happened with the IBM, and as I mentioned you, even I'm going to check this Roblox because it's extremely extended. QUBT for a long, Alamo, thank you. I'm going to check it here too. QUBT looks nice. Hi, Anne. Good morning to you. Nice to see you. Nasdaq 100 1-minute chart, Hamel candle. Vidas, I don't know how much the futures 1-minute chart matters. You know, I like the 1-minute charts for day trading the first hour, but actually, I would say maybe for the futures, I do prefer the 5-minute chart. I see what you mean, but this is a shooting star. It's okay. It looks like as a reversal, definitely. We are very close to the 22,000 dollar level on the NAS 100. But if we just check the pre-market on the SPY and triple Q, the bulls are looking really, really strong still. I mean, I'm not sure that it's going to retreat. Well, let's see. Only CB leading index is going to be released at 10 o'clock, guys, and nothing else going to impact the market unless the news and the option expiration. Yeah, now it's dropping definitely. CAI 6% to the upside. Thank you, Nitsan. I'm just checking it. Just a second. Just get my okay. Get my water here. Oh yes, NVDA all the time, Tara and PLTR as well. And let's see the CAI. How does it look like? Caris Life Science. This is looks like as an IPO and looks quite interesting. We can check it. Did you? Marvel checking. MLV. Oh, wow, nice. Okay, so you are already in the swing. Nice, 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 nice. Hopefully it's going to push it even more for you with dice. Nice trade. All right, traders, we still have 2 minutes to go. So as I mentioned you, I'm going to watch from my list, especially KMX, Circle, DRI, KR. Sophie looks nice as well, and Coin definitely. MU, NVDA, Oracle are on my list too. Amazon, Microsoft, NVDA, Tesla, AMD, just the usual ones, and ACN, as I mentioned you, to the short side. What happened again? Look at this market is just pushing higher like crazy. Have you seen this? I think it's not just Marvel with dice. 75.11 you got. Very nice. Well done. Yes, yes, it is. Maybe it's already the option expiration. And some more good news. I'm just checking the news, guys, because this seems like very much news-related moves. Maybe ceasefire coming next, hopefully. Would be great. You want to close it. You can close it in two minutes. If this is your strategy, but if you are for fear or something like that, so stick to your plan, whatever it is, but stick to it. Okay, guys, I cannot see any other news, but this is a huge push on the market, that's for sure. Not just the Marvel is doing that push actually, but the overall market is climbing higher. Hmm. Let's be careful because now even the futures are starting to be pumped a little bit too much to the upside. Anyway, we are going to open, guys, in some seconds. Good luck, everyone. I'm happy with it already. Just close next trade. Okay. Again, whatever your plan is, you need to follow that, guys, all the time. We are here to help you. We are here to guide you. But always, if hopefully you found your voice on trading already. If not, then please ask for help indeed. So if you have your strategy indeed, then definitely I suggest you to keep to it, to stick to it. Okay. All right, traders. So market big gap up. DVG watching coin for a long on the pullback already. PLTR pushing higher, Roblox pulling back. DRI, big push to the upside. MU pushing higher to Tesla. It's crazy. Nice. Happy for you. Let's see the coin here. DVG is going to call coin soon. Looks like as a huge continuation pattern on the coin traders, especially if it's going to break 310. Crazy. And VDA is pushing higher too. Amazon a bit back. ACN is going higher. Coin looks very tempting indeed. Overall market gap up, and the question whether we can go like gap up and go. This is my big question, whether we will see that on the market. Okay, Tesla breaking out, Roblox pulling back, Oracle back, DRI, big green, big red. And coin looks like it's ready to break the 310. If you are on coin, guys, be quick and efficient. Forget to say watching NEM. Yeah, definitely we should watch it. DVG still watching Caravana as well, CVNA. NVIDIA pulled back now. Market going sideways, traders. Nothing interesting here, just a little sideways. TQQQ making a consolidation here. KMX pulling back. Oracle, nice pullback. I'm watching for a reversal on Oracle, maybe NVIDIA as well. I'm still sitting on my hands because I see quite of a crazy move. Tesla is the only one which just broke out and immediately continues higher. Happy for you, Vidice. Good decision, actually. And guys, be careful. Again, option expiration, market can be highly volatile and highly choppy, especially if we are not going to find a clear direction. My eyes are still on ACN for a possible gap and go reversal, but it's quite spready, and the spread is going to be higher. Meta is breaking out. Two traders. I'm just telling you what I see are strong. Meta, Tesla, and coin. Coin looks very tempting for me to break and join over the high. Bitcoin still pushing higher, and this coin breakout just over 310 and 80 for me on the coin itself. How about Circle? Let me just check it. CRCL. Market SPY started to break the consolidation low. Circle pushing back. Okay. My only short is not going down. DRI is going down, surprisingly. MU is down. PLTR moved back. Microsoft very strong. Tesla very strong. AMD very strong. This is what I see now. Wow. ACN, I'm waiting for the ACN reversal, and I'm checking this 280 for a possible entry there. If we are going to make a reversal at all. KMX pulled back. It can be a gap and go reversal. Microsoft just broke out. Coin pulled back too. But the triple Q, it's consolidating. Spikes slightly lower. Marvel again. Let me just check it. Phew, I don't like triple witching days, guys. I'm going to be extra careful today. This can be so tricky. Marvel, yeah, it's just pulling back. Let's see whether if it's pulling back to fill the gap, it can be maybe an interesting entry there. All right, traders, under 280, I'm going to try an entry for an ACN short, but with a very small share size because the stock is highly volatile. NVIDIA looks good for a long 140. It's already higher. I've seen it. Oh, you mean if it's pulling back to this? support. All right, traders, coin is pulling back, so no trade on the coin. I still keep an eye on ACM for a reversal as it had quite good, bad news. Circle for a possible reversal as well. Roblox amazing. Roblox is still going higher. This stock is amazingly crazy. Okay, guys, so here comes the breakout on the triple Q, as I see. Maybe NVIDIA is not going to make a pullback there. MU, it's pulling back nicely. I'm going to check it for an intraday breakout. Amazon doesn't look bad either. Circle is just circulating down. TQQQ broke, coin moving lower. Amazon inside A. It's not good. Nvidia making new highs by the looks of it so strong. Yeah, I agree. But I missed the reversal pattern there. AMD is even stronger, by the way. AMD, it's a beast today, guys. We should watch it. And Roblox is acting so weird. I must tell you, this looks very tempting for me, this Roblox now. And coin is dropping like a stone. New development here. Traders, I'm going to keep an eye on this Roblox. If things are turning around, I'm going to watch it for a possible short there. Microsoft still looking strong. Tesla pulled back to the VWAP, which we can watch for a possible VWAP reversal on the Tesla. No trade yet, even by DVG. Tesla broke the VWAP, so no reversal yet, but I'm going to keep an eye. Tesla can be an interesting long over 331 for me. SMCI not on my list, but just checking. I love the daily. I love the daily, to tell the truth, Salamu. On this SMCI, yeah. You called 46. Yes, exactly. Just only over 46. I like it. I like this SMCI. Food, these Darden restaurants, it's all over the place. I don't think so. I'm going to take it. And actually, traders, NVIDIA looks like as a great breakout trade over the high, together with the Microsoft, by the way. No, Tesla. Tesla doesn't want to make the VWAP reversal. Let's just leave it. Microsoft looks a bit extended on the daily. On the DVG, just talking about the Microsoft. Also, here comes soon the SPY 600 level and 533 for the triple Q. So let's just keep an eye on that as well. Meta not doing too much. SOFI. Netflix is moving. Netflix, huge move to the upside, traders. Wow, we should watch it for a reversal. Uber long checking. Okay, first trade of the day from DVG. He's going to get ready to buy coin here around this 10360. Market still pushing higher. I keep an eye on a breakout on the NVDA higher, especially around this 146.20. SMCI still looks good too. Keep an eye on MU Oracle for reversals, especially the MU over 123.10. And the SPY triple Q pushing higher like crazy. So seems like we do have a direction, traders, but don't forget everything can change very quickly indeed. OSCR checking. OSCR, however, the market looks quiet. Yes, OSCR looks very tempting or for an intraday breakout over 2132 for me, Jeremy. 2132 on the OSCR, guys. Looks nice. Stop loss under 2068, something like that. That looks good. That looks good. OSCR. Let's be 2135, okay? 2135 on the OSCR. SPY still pushing higher. Triple Q is ready to break out. Also, or ORCL pulling back. PITR weaker too, back to the 140 level. Okay, let's go for stop loss actually under 20. We can put it 2080 as well. Let's go for the 50 cents on the OSCR, 40, 50 cents. Before 22, I definitely want to take a partial there. Okay, OSCR looks nice. All right. Market still pushing. Microsoft, I still keep an eye on. Oracle pulling back. MU, I still keep an eye. We need to break 2150 OSCR. Wow, CRWV as well, traders crazy. Look at that. Uh-oh, I don't want you to come back, OSCR. Market is consolidating a little bit. We should be careful. AMD is a beast, guys. It just does not stop. I'm waiting for a pullback on this AMD, and it's just not able to pull back. Amazing. Tesla, from green to red. Guys, I'm still keeping an eye on MU. If it's breaking the 123.10, looks like as a great long. Also, I must tell you, Roblox suffering. Roblox is suffering. Roblox, it's still a little bit on my short side, especially if it's breaking the lows 10260. I'm going to watch it. And OSCR really needs to break the 50 level here. If it won't, it's not good. Uber, let me just check this Uber here. Okay, DVG just bought this coin, as I've told you. He's in long to the coin. Actually, it doesn't look bad over the VWAP 30570 around. But I must tell you, I'm not really favoring coin today, guys. It can be so crazy. So traders, I keep an eye on Roblox possible short. We are running this OSCR, 20 more cents to take a partial here. And then I'm going to take 75% out of this one. And in the meantime, the market is ready for another breakout as I see. Okay. Beautiful. Very nice on the OSCR. Thank you, Jeremy. It's Jeremy's call. I am ready to take off a little bit soon because seems like the market is starting to wobbling here a little bit, which is never good. It's just touching soon the 600 on the SPY, has not touched it yet. Let's see. And yeah, making a reversal. Market is struggling there. Guys, mine, I'm taking a quick 30 cents here. Reason for that, again, I do not trust too much this market today. It's just 20 now. And I'm going to put my stop loss under the round number. Okay, SPY, I'm afraid is going to pull back, guys. So here is 56, still a very nice push higher, but I just put a little in my pocket on 56 because I just do not feel like this market is stable at the moment. It's 70% of the share size. I still give the chance. I still give the chance for the stock. Apple for you today. I'm just checking it. Okay, traders, I took some off as I've told you on the OSCR under 21.20. I think I'm going to be out. And here is the time for me on the Roblox under 10240 now. 10240 on the Roblox. I'm going to take it for a short. One. Okay. Very nice. Under 10240 on the Roblox, and under 2120 I'm going to be out on the OSCR. $102.38 is going to be my entry there. Market pulled back to the VWAP. Market pulled back to the VWAP, and here is my OSCR. This is just a quick scalp, but at least green. I do not, still do not trust this market. MU though it's coming, so MU I'm still watching it. Still no clear entry. I still want to see 4 more candles. And here we are. I've entered to the Roblox traders. Apple checking. Apple checking. So I am in Roblox and the OSCR is still in with the last shares. Under 2120 I'm going to be out. Apple, wow, very strong today. Nice. 200. Listen, if 200 can stay as a support, this can be a good one. All right, traders. So Roblox stop loss, it's over 103 for me. It's a lower what it is called share size. And the next one, which I'm going to keep my eye on, is maybe MU and NVIDIA. NVIDIA is getting close to the highs. Apple buy limit order 199. Let's see, because listen, both of the indices are on the VWAP, and I must tell you, I'm not going to be surprised if the market is going to give back the green moves, because this is how triple witching is working out actually. So let's be careful. Tesla, it's on an interesting level too, on this 100 EMA and 325 level. I'm watching for a reversal. SPY triple Q breaking the lows, guys. Watch out. And here is the OSCR traders, and I'm out of OSCR. I'm out of OSCR, very small green, but as I've told you, I've just seen this market is starting to wobbling on the highs, could not even reach the 600. That was not a good news. Hopefully it's going to be a good news for our Roblox trade, which is still not going down. AMD is still very strong though, Apple too. Amazon not that strong anymore though. Wow, and we are dropping back to the lows, guys. Come on, Roblox. Roblox stop loss over 102.80 now. And let's go, Roblox. Apple pushing to your buy limit. Vida is be careful because now the market is way under the VWAP, which of course can change in 1 second. Guys, Circle is getting alive again. Circle is getting alive. I'm going to watch it. I still keep an eye on MU2. NVIDIA is still very strong. NVIDIA is still very strong indeed. Ooh, NVIDIA is crazy. feel like if it's going to break out this 146.30, 40, it can be a really strong push. But everything else is just moving lower, guys. Okay, come on, Roblox. I want to see like at least an 80 cents on this Roblox. ACR Raspi. I put it down again on my. It could not go do this reversal. Now it's making the reversal. You are right. It's looking much better. Let's wait a little bit more, but maybe under this 281, 281.70 ACN can be a great short. 281.70. All right, traders, SPY completely back, filling the gap. Triple Q back to the lows. Now it can be a decision point again for this market and hopefully for my Roblox as well. Also, I must tell you, AMD, NVDA, and MU does not care at all about the market. Yeah, Alan, I completely agree that NVDA is very strong. And now it's a big question whether the market is going to find a support and make a reversal or that's it. Doesn't look good. This big red stripe doesn't look the best indeed. Apple long, good luck with guys. Still keep my eye on MU, Circle, maybe Uber as well. I'm in Roblox, small winner on OSCR, and checking Raspi and checking ACN2. I still need to see one more candle to call it. Full share size, nice. Okay, guys, this option expiration Friday so far seems like not that crazy, just as usual, I would say. However, I feel like that the surprise is still still not clearly here. And look at the coin. Coin is just coming back to the VWAP second time. I'm still watching this at the moment this 306 level there, 306. PRT are making a reversal, Uber reversing. And let's see whether the bulls can just push back the overall market higher. Guys, CRWV, it's extremely strong. How about Circle? Circle 2, 217.50 looks interesting. Okay, let's try this ACN traders lower share size. Today, anyway, I'm trading lower share size, just under 281.50. This is an intraday breakout pattern there. I'm just putting in my entry now. Stop loss over 284 at least. So it's going to be a lower share size trade for sure. I'm still on Roblox. Okay, so I am in Roblox and ACN shorts. Market is fighting on the lows. Circle looking interesting here for an intraday breakout. I'm still waiting for that. Also, NVIDIA started to push lower. Amazon dropping like a stone. To 12.50 on the Apple. Let's see. And look at CRWV still pushing higher, guys. That's crazy. Okay, SPY for me, I must tell you, it looks weaker than stronger. Weaker than stronger indeed. Circle very much building the strengths here. CRWV breaking out. 200. Yeah, I know. Nice. Okay, guys, Roblox dropping. Very nice. I want to see a 102 break first. 102 break first on the Roblox. Cost is dropping. Checking cost. Oh no, ACN, come on. Yeah, I see, but very low volume, unfortunately, on the COST. Okay, traders, here comes Roblox. Roblox first partial going to be around 101.80. 101.80. I don't like how ACN just pulled back. It needs to be held by the VWAP. If the VWAP is not going to hold it, we are in trouble, unfortunately. So 101.80 is going to be my first partial on the Roblox. Market still building this consolidation on the lows, but no decision yet. And I don't like how this ACN is moving. Hopefully it's going to push it back. 101.94. Okay. I'm going to take 75% off on the Roblox. Meta good for short checking. SPY triple Q still building this consolidation here. And AMD is breaking out. Look at that stock, guys. Yeah, listen, if we break down like with the overall market, I agree that Meta can be interesting for a short. But so far, market needs to decide here, first of all. Okay, triple Q is dropping a bit. I don't like this ACN, guys. I've entered a little bit too late here anyway. Never mind, let's see now. So Meta maybe under the lows, I would say, which is 694, 694. PLTR going for the lows too, MU pulling back, so no long on the MU. NVIDIA AMD still extremely strong. Overall market is fighting hard on the lows. Triple Q broke the lows 2 times and some buyers just showed up. And I don't like Roblox is pulling back. Come on. Okay, traders. So AC and Roblox are into the short side. Market has not decided yet. In 2 minutes, we will get the CB leading index. And I agree with guys that we can keep an eye on Meta for a short. DVG has not called anything, I think. Not quite clear because sometimes he's just calling something after he enters. So not quite clear. Nothing. Okay, Circa still looks strong, by the way. CRWE pulling back, so it's nothing. SPY very much on the edge to break down. Triple Q breaking again. 531 as I see. The market decision point, come on. Selling Meta rallies. Yeah, Meta looks very nice under this 694. 694, I like it, actually. Oops, and I missed it. I missed this Meta. Okay, we did break. Roblox is not breaking though. It's not good. Also, or ACN is getting back to the entry too. Come on, Roblox, break. I missed the Meta. SPY triple Q breaking lower, and we will get an economic news soon. And NVIDIA is still staying strong. Amazing, actually. So SPY down, triple Q down, SPY filled the gap, triple Q hasn't filled the gap yet. Oh, I forgot TQQQ today, guys. I was I was just focusing on everything else. However, no entry at the moment. The Meta, be quick and efficient. Anyway, the stop loss is $1.50, $2. NEM is dropping. Yeah, I see. I would say it's just pulling back, not a huge drop yet, but let's see. Coin though is still staying stronger, as I see. Um, hopefully, Roblox is doing another bear flag, and ACN is ready to break these lows too. Coin still looks very tempting over 306, I must tell you. Also, the overall market is moving down. Hmm. And look at the bulls on the SPY. They are gathering around again. Guys, watch out on our Roblox. Finally, it's getting closer to my partialing point again. And here we are, finally Roblox. So I'm just taking on the Roblox 75% of my share size, as I mentioned you. On this 10180 I took 83. And I'm going to put my stop loss over 102 and 50 because as you can see, the news just hit the market and I don't know what's going to come next here. I still don't like this ACN. It's just touched my entry point again and made a reversal. And everything depends on the market as well, whether we are going to see a reversal here or not. And look at Circle. I miss Circle. It made such a perfect intraday breakout pattern, and now I just missed it. Can't believe it. Sure. Okay, sorry for that. SPY looked like for a second that might is going to try to go higher, but it did fail as I see. News are not that important news, I would say, on the other hand. So I think the options and the high frequency traders are going to mean more for the market today than this news. So traders, I took quickly my Roblox partial, but as I mentioned you, this ACN, I do not like it too much. I do not like it too much anymore. And here comes the partialing point on meta traders. I missed my own call as usual, but if you could take this short on the meta, it's perfect. As I've told you, the King coin looked very tempting and very nice, but I stay away from coin today. I don't know why, I just don't like it. Guys, I see again very interesting moves here. First of all, ACN is starting to be on the edge to say goodbye to it. Unfortunately, here is a $2 loss. Roblox still looks good, but I see MU, it's a big reversal. AMD still looks like it wants to break out, and the overall market is struggling a lot on the lows. Dicking, if you get into the coin, I would say be careful. If it goes back under the VWAP and the 20 EMA, that's not a good news. AMD is ready to break. On the meta, as I mentioned, you just take a partial. I still holding Roblox and I'm still giving a little chance to this ACN. Also, it doesn't look good anymore. Unfortunately, it has not too many sellers here. Again, you want to sell it again? I don't know if it's going to go back to 694. Only if the market is making a reversal, maybe. But I can imagine that the market is going to pull back now. It's just making this consolidation way too long. If you took the coin, guys, here comes the first partialing point. And unfortunately, ACN needs to be out. It was a low share size call, as I've told you, but still not a nice trade. I completely call it off. Also, I'm still in Roblox. Roblox stop loss is going to be over 10250 for me on the last shares, at least. And I can't believe I missed Meta. So one loser, two winners so far. Nice breakdown on the Meta. Look at that. And I must tell you, Roblox still has room to go. TQQQ moving lower too, like the overall market. So far, no reversal yet on the market, which is good to our Roblox. And I can't believe I missed this circle. That was so nice. This coin is still consolidating. It seems like it doesn't want to fall with the market. Okay, guys, so far market nice gap up, green continuation. Now everything is just pulling back. And I would say if we break especially the 596 with the market, this can be a quite strong move to the downside. SMCI though on the other hand is getting stronger here. Looks nice indeed. Circle pushing higher. I can't believe this stock. And here comes the reversal maybe. 530, it's a strong resistance or a support on the triple Q, and 595 will be on the SPY, not before, I would say. So you still can leave the Meta short, guys. It's still beautiful. Okay, guys. Whew, Tesla is dropping like a stone, and look at our Roblox finally. Shame on you, ACN. I can't believe that I just missed this meta breakdown, guys. Who is in meta breakdown? I hope most of you are in. Just missed it a little bit. Like I was there to enter and I just missed it. Can't believe that. Okay. Netflix. PLTR 140. Checking. You want to short it, Lar, or just the usual reversal on the PLTR? Überholz, like Netflix chart pattern for a long. Checking Netflix, just a second. Meta beautiful traders, meta second partial, beautiful call it was. Really liked it. Netflix, I'm not going to touch it, sorry. Netflix, I don't like. Traders, if you missed the first partial on Roblox, here it is. Long for 140. I think the market is going to reach soon a very much deciding level 528 by the triple Q and 595 on the SPY. And then let's see, Lar, how the PRTR is going to move, okay? But so far, it's quite weak. All right, traders, so market started to drop quite strongly. I can't believe that this ACN just did not went back. Even NVDA is giving up. AMD is giving up. Let me just check the Apple quickly. Oh, sorry, you cannot see my trades again. Sorry for that. So I have only Roblox left. I have only Roblox left, as you can see. So on the Roblox, I'm going to take a second partial around 101 level. But again, I think this level can be a quite of a challenging for the market to break through. Meta second partial just done. Meta stop loss can be above 591, I would say, if the market is going to make a reversal here, and do not let it go against you. Bit extended on the market side, in my opinion. So let's see which direction we are going to continue from here on. SPY to could stop now. Tesla completely gave up. Have you seen Tesla, guys? This is just wow. Come on, Roblox, stretch a bit more, please. Okay, now maybe comes a little pullback. I'm going to watch this AMD traders because it just touched the VWAP. If the market is going to play around again this game that now it's going to be a V-shaped reversal, who knows? Then might we can find some nice reversals to the long side. If you have anything on the radar, please just let me know. I know you like the Netflix, but Netflix I do not like because of, the volume is so low for me, V-Dice. Okay. MU is getting weaker too, NVDA as well. I'm wondering what the AMD is going to do here. Traders, if you have any questions, anything on your radar, please just let me know. CRWV, it's surprising, but it is making a reversal. Circle still pushing higher as I see. Guys, just a sec and I will be back. Okay, traders, I am back. Thank you for your patience. So I am still holding only Roblox, two winners, one loser for today. And the market seems like it's still pushing lower at the moment. Okay, guys, how is your day today? Please be extremely careful because, as I've told you, this can be a very tricky day with this option expiration. But so far, not that bad. MU, it's an inverted cup and handle, Nitsan. I would not take it for a bottom reversal now, unless we are not going to see a very strong reversal on the market itself, okay? Marvel, checking. Marvel. Ooh, AMD broke the VWAP. It's not a good news for the triple Q. Nice Roblox command break. Circle breaking higher, Roblox breaking lower, overall market struggling. And Marvel, yeah, yes. That was not right because actually it just touched the 200 EMA as well on the daily. It was quite unknown which direction it's going to go. I think as well that it was a good decision with ICE. And now let's see whether the market is able to make a reversal here. I'm still expecting especially the Roblox guys to be a several dollar winner here. Yes, Vidice, everything looks like selling off, but this is the beauty in this triple witching day, then this can just change in a second. I think that's why Nitsan is watching MU as well for a bottom reversal, because things can just turn around really quickly on these days, quite unexpectedly. You've seen it, Sam? Just broke down. You know what? I think maybe around 120 we can watch on the MU a possible reversal. But on the other hand, if you are checking MU daily chart, it looks a little bit or similar to the Roblox. It's a little bit extended. Why I did take Roblox? Because of the daily chart. It's very extended, and I love this extremely big rejection which it did. I'm just going to show you. You see this huge green candle at 9:35, 5 minutes after the opening bell. It did a huge green candle with a low volume, and after it got a fantastic big rejection. So that's why I thought that if it's going to make a move lower, then this can be a very nice short opportunity. Yeah, with ice, me too. Me too. But here comes the second partialing point on the Roblox soon, traders. 10120 around. It's going to be okay for me for another nice partialing point there. SPY triple Q though, SPY is trying to make a reversal. Let's see how successful it's going to do it. Five minutes chart checking. Yeah, you are right. It's going to happen around 10120. So that's why I'm checking it. Wow, Tesla, huge breakdown, guys. PLTR breaking down. MU, it's over. Market is over. So come on, Roblox, to the second partialing point, please. Getting closer to the second partialing. Come on, Roblox. And the market is breaking the lows. I'm going to sell a little bit more than half of my share size. As you can see, I'm still a bit stretched on the share size here. So here we are, 10120, 16, fantastic. I'm just taking my second partial on the Roblox traders. 101, almost, wow, huge drop, a little bit more maybe. If we go back over 10120, I'm going to take my partial. I have not clicked the button yet. 10106, beautiful. 05, break it. Come on. Nice. Over 10110, I'm going to take my partial. Market is dropping like a stone, guys. Hope you are on the right direction. Okay, 101, fantastic. Okay, I took my partial traders. So second partial, it's out on the Roblox. I'm going to put my stop loss over 101 and 50 and let it run. Phew, what a day. Such a typical crazy day. And we just made this. on time. So second partial done on the Roblox, and I am ready for the day, I feel like. Indeed. Okay, guys. Apple closed small red. Sorry for that, guys. Yeah, I was afraid that the market is going to drop. It was such a huge euphoria in the beginning of the day. Coins? No, I'm not dicking. I told you. I'm checking coin, but I'm not going to touch coin today. However, the meta is still going, guys. No, as I mentioned you, I feel like the market is really starting to be extended, especially now that the TQQQ touched the 73 as well. Traders, I'm going to be out on Roblox over 10150 and call it as a day from my side. Market is on the decision point, as I was just calling it before, that 595 and 528. These are the two levels which I am checking on the triple Q and the SPY. And if it's going to break it through to the downside, it's going to be a huge red day for the market. But I'm not sure on the coin decking because the Bitcoin is still quite strong, not very strong. Okay, I'm out of the Roblox traders, the last shares, and I'm just going to call it as a day. Look at that, Apple is breaking the VWAP. Also, Nvidia is stopped on this 144 level. So the next levels to watch, this 595 and 528, whether they are going to serve as a bottom for the market or they're just going to falling through of it. Okay, guys, so Roblox is out, everything is out. Anything on your side? OSCR again, LLY checking. Vida is going to short, okay. Yeah, well, if the market is going to continue dropping, it can be. I'm just checking OSCR or a small little winner from the beginning of the day, and it's still strong. Oh my goodness, and I took it off the radar, and it was a perfect intraday breakout over 2132 again. For me now, it's not an entry, unfortunately, but might you can keep an eye on it, but no setup for me on the OSCR. It was a loss, Dicking. It was a loss, but I took it with a very low share size. LLY. Mm, it's on a verge of a pullback, but it's a little bit like on no man's land at the moment, trying to pull back. Maybe around 770 it can be interesting, in my opinion. Meta short 690. Well, I always like to see a reversal pattern first with eyes, but looks interesting. Okay, this Roblox was nice, but quite strong reversal on that, which means that this is going to give another chance for a reversal trade there. Look at that. Maybe just around the VWAP, not before. Ooh, NEM, big drop on the gold stock or gold miner. Okay, let me just check the SPY here. So again, SPY is on the edge of this 595 soon, 528 on the triple Q. I'm wondering who is going to win today. Vidas, that's why they need to drop it, right? Might I would keep an eye on KMX as well, traders. It's just climbed back over the VWAP now, but my problem with KMX that the volume is quite low. It seems like it's not moving too much. Oh, this circle was crazy. Okay, now the market seems like it really wants to make a reversal there. Let's see whether it can do it. Quite of a strong selling pressure in the last half an hour. And the yuan thing. I'm just checking quickly still the stocks on my gainers and the losers list to find something interesting. Okay, Roblox is still on a pullback. Nice. This ACN was a ugly surprise. Wow, Apple 11, what a big drop today. We missed it. Arista Networks, very weak too. Hood, guys, 2.64 down on the hood. CCJ, Camcao is down 2%. Okay, what else? AXSM, that's not a good one. Futu, 4.51% lower. Okay, MU huge reversal. Roblox struggling on the 20 EMA. Okay, guys, I cannot see anything else at the moment, and I think I'm just going to leave my day with this green on the profit side. Well, I would say thanks to this news before the market open and to the option expiration, this was definitely not a boring Friday trading day. I really hope that you're going to end in green because it's such a great feeling to to leave the week in green for sure. And of course, the overall results of this week, it was green for you. So again, be careful because option expiration is still here. News still can hit the market, but I don't think so. There will be more news. I would still keep an eye on Meta too. Maybe NVIDIA, AMD, MU, as they seem to be a little bit more resilient. Only if the market, for example, can make a reversal there, then might it can be interesting. If the market keeps dropping, then maybe Roblox for a reversal can be an interesting one too. In my opinion, a coin, I would just leave it because it's just not developing any great move lately. So these would be the stocks to watch if you are going to continue trading at all. Guys, I wish you a beautiful, funny weekend, relaxing with your loved ones, with the family, and of course, I'm going to see you Monday, 9 a.m. sharp. Thank you, Tara. Green, very good. And I'm going to see you on Monday, traders. Stay safe, take care, and if you like the stream, please just give give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much, guys. So see you later and stay safe. Bye. Thank you, Nitsan. See you on Sunday. Bye, guys. See you.